Outside again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Juliana and I'm so happy you guys made it. Today is Valentine's Day and I'm so excited. I have a lot of fun things planned, not necessarily, but I just thought, hey, might as well vlog today because it's an exciting day and might as well show you guys what I'm doing. So this is my very first Valentine's Day being in a committed, serious relationship, so it's a big deal for me. So I'm actually, if you guys did not know, I'm engaged. Oh, my ring's a little wonky, but there it is. There's my big carrot, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'm engaged and I'm really happy, but today is a great day for me and my fiance. My fiance is currently working, so I'm just kind of getting ready for Valentine's Day, and I'm gonna do my hair and my makeup because we might be going out tonight. I'm not sure, but we might be. So yeah, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you like these kinds of videos, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm already dressed in my Valentine's Day fit, but I wanted to do my makeup with you guys and do like a little chit chat, get ready with me. Yeah, I dyed my hair back brown as you saw in my last video, so I'm not blonde anymore. So yeah, but yeah, so let's go ahead and get started on my makeup. So usually what I do is just simple makeup, but today I'm gonna spice it up with some pink eyeshadow. So I have this like really cute eyeshadow palette from Arbonne, and it looks like this. Perfect colors for Valentine's Day, so we're gonna go ahead and use this. So I'm gonna prime my skin with this primer. Gosh, and I don't normally prime, but you know what, why not? I am gonna answer some questions for you guys, just like that are off the top of my head that I normally get, but I like can remember that I got. My first question that I normally get asked is, how long have you guys been together? So me and Caleb have been together for almost 7 months. That's insane that we've almost been together for 7 months. We got engaged when we were together for 3 months, so we've been engaged for about 4 months now, so that's really crazy. So we're very happy. So that's how long we've been together. But the foundation that I'm going to be using is the It Cosmetics CC Cream Your Skin But Better. I really like this stuff. Alright, you guys, so my second question is, what is it like living together? So me and my fiance have lived together pretty much ever since we got engaged. In the beginning of our relationship, we had a little bit of a downfall, and it didn't really work out in the beginning because of my thought process, but we were actually very happy, and I love him. I could not stay away from him. Literally, whenever we broke up and whenever I did that, I cried so hard all day long. Like, I did not do anything that day. And that's how you know it's true love, is when you both cry because you broke up. So I do believe that mine and Caleb's relationship is purely true love, because we have kind of known each other for a while because our families are friends, but we just have not like really known each other like together, like talked into like one-on-one. But then he was like looking for me for like 2 years, and I had no idea. He was trying to like figure out who I was and stuff, and I was like, are you for real? Like, that's crazy. And he said, yeah, like, I did not know who you were. I thought you were the most gorgeous person ever, and I wanted to get to know you. So he finally figured out who I was, as you can tell, because we're together. And it's probably one of the best decisions that I've ever made. He's such a gentleman. He's amazing. But reverting back to the question, what is it like living together? It's amazing. But if you don't like the person that you're with, don't move in with them, because you never know how they are when you move in with them. They could be completely different when you live with them versus when you don't live with them. So just be careful and stay safe out there. Do what your gut is telling you to do. Okay, so my concealer that I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. I love this concealer. It is so amazing, and it's got good coverage. So, okay, my third question is like advice for fights. Now, I just said I'm a drama queen like not too long ago, so that's why I get this question a lot. Because like on my TikTok and stuff, I share a lot of my life on there, so make sure to go follow me on TikTok. It's linked down below, and my Instagram. But I show a lot of like my meals and my life on TikTok. And can I just say, like, Caleb is always on my TikTok. He's like always on there. He's on my YouTube a little bit too, but not as often as he is on my TikTok, because TikTok is just like so much easier to make videos. You don't have to edit them. You can literally just like film and upload. It's amazing. But fights, like, don't go to sleep without like resolving one or saying I'm sorry. If you're exhausted and you think that you can sleep on it a little bit, go to bed. But if you wake up in the middle of the night, just roll over and be like, hey babe, I love you and I'm sorry, and go on with your day. Don't even think anything of it, because if it's like not that serious, what is there to fight about? And then another one that I got by my grandmother, she's a very wise woman. She said, pick your battles. And this is a big one, because sometimes I'll get upset about a few things that he does that I don't like. But again, I know that I can't control him. And again, I don't want to control him. But like, sometimes there's a lot like going on. And sometimes I don't approve of what he does. But it doesn't mean that I have to have the say in what he does and what he doesn't. So I think what I'm just trying to say is pick your battles, choose what you want to fight over. Like, don't fight over everything. You know, not everything is worth fighting for or fighting over. So just know that. That's pretty much my basic 2 tips, is just don't go to sleep without resolving a fight and pick your battles. Very, very simple and very easy to remember. So the powder that I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in Warm. I love this stuff. Honestly, what the heck is this? Like, what? That's my dog's doing. Okay, next is a good one because I struggle with this. Ways to deal with a spouse that spends a lot of money versus another spouse that does not spend a lot of money. So like my fiance, he is like a big saver. He doesn't like to spend money. He likes to save his money for emergency situations. Me, on the other hand, I'll spend it all day long, do whatever I want to with it. I'm definitely not the definition of frugal. I can definitely say that. My family can all attest to that. I will spend my money on anything and everything I can for, because I love spending money. It's like an addiction to me. I need to go to Shopaholics Anonymous, I swear. Yeah, I need to save some money soon because I'm having a wedding. Like, what? But I think you should just like talk it out when you think you need to save money, because saving money is essential in a relationship. If you don't have money, then what's the point in even being together? You can't provide for yourself. You can't provide for your future children. You can't provide for your life. Like, why can't you do that? Because you're spending a bunch of money. And that's how I have to tell myself like that sometimes, because sometimes I'm like, oh, I want to spend this on a pair of shoes. No, you need to save it for lunch and for like weekly meals, like for like grocery shopping. So you really just got to think things through, and you also should always talk to your spouse about that kind of stuff, because you always want his opinion, especially if his money's a part of it. Like if he like combines his money with yours, you always want to talk about financial situations like that, because you never know if they need something that you don't, or vice versa. So that's that. Now I'm gonna do my bronzer and stuff. I don't ever do like cream bronzer. I don't know, I've never really gravitated towards that yet, but I have the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Really like this. I got this from Sephora a while ago online, and I've like always wanted it, so I finally got it and I love it so much. So I'm gonna use this Real Techniques ankle brush, and I'm gonna use the middle shade. It's the one that I use all the time. I'm actually just gonna finish up my makeup and then I'll chat with you guys in a bit. So yeah, bye guys. I did my makeup and it looks really good. I did this lip color. It's a Milani lip color. It is a matte satin. Oh, I didn't realize that this slipped. It is a matte satin lip color, and it is in Luxe number 2. So it's a really cute lip color. I really like this lip color. It's like a matte and it looks really good. So now I'm gonna curl my hair. Why not? Like, I dyed my hair brown again and it looks really good to me. Like, I really like it. Everybody says that blonde was like my natural color, and I'm like, I say otherwise, because I did not like it. And it just was so much to upkeep. So the person who did it was just like terrible, if you ask me. Not naming any names. But anyways, so I use this Hot Tools lamp. I curled my hair. It's currently drying. I'm gonna use this hairspray. It's literally all I have. I hate these hair products because it's Monet, but I bought it before because I thought that they were a good company, but clearly they're not, because they're making people's hairs fall out. But like, it's all I have. Okay, it's all I have. So this video is actually going to be going up after Valentine's Day, so I'm just going to show you guys kind of what I got for Kalube for Valentine's Day, so that you guys can like get some ideas. This is like a really easy way to treat your hubby or your boyfriend or your fiance, whatever he is. So the first thing I got him was a balloon. It just says Happy Valentine's Day. Super cute, and I just have it in my bedroom, and it was really hard to bring it with me because like I had to put it in the car and I was really afraid that it was gonna fly away. But then I got him a card, like a Valentine's Day card. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got him. If I can even find it. Found it. So I found it. Yeah. So I got it from the Dollar Tree, and it says amazing husband, but hey, he's about to be my husband, so might as well just put that. But it says, to my amazing #1 husband, you have it all: handsome, thoughtful, strong, kind, and smart. And then on the inside, it's got like a page to write on, and then it says, everything thinking of every amazing thing about you. I am reminded just how lucky I am. Happy Valentine's Day. I thought this was super cute. And I got it from the dollar store, so I might as well use it. But I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna write in it, and then I'm gonna put it in the envelope and put his name on the envelope. So yeah.
We out. We out.
Alright guys. So it is 2:28 and I have some homework to do before he gets home from work. It is currently 2:28, like I just said, and he gets off work between 4 and 5, or maybe even 6 if he works late. So I don't really know what time he's going to be home, so I wanted to get this stuff done early. But now that I have some time, I might as well just do some homework and do all that so that I can spend time with him when he gets off. So I have a to-do list on my phone, on my planner, and I gotta get those things done, and then once those are done, I have free time, and then I can just spend time with him. So yeah, I'm gonna do some homework, and then I'll catch up with you guys when I have nothing to do next. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and share with you guys this amazing body spray that I just got. It is You're the One from Bath and Body Works. It literally smells like my body, like a perfume. Like you could literally put this in a glass bottle and sell it for $150, and I think it would sell, in my opinion. I would personally buy that. But I got the body spray, and I also got the lotion, and this scent is amazing. It is so amazing. Like I can smell it still on my body. It's a long-lasting scent, in my opinion. The fragrance notes are white birch, velvety rose, and a drop of strawberry nectar. And I got a whole nother box of like Bath and Body Works products down here that I just got in the mail. So if you guys want to see a haul, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I'm gonna get to homework now because it's already like 3:30. Caleb, what do you think about your gift?
That's good. I like it.
I sweat a lot making it. You guys, he's so cute. And he got me roses. And what? What? I'm trying to be cool, okay? So, I'm gonna show you guys what I got for Valentine's Day. Oh, I got roses. They're really pretty. Oh my gosh, those dogs in there are going crazy. And then I got a box of chocolates. So, yeah. And then, as you guys saw, I got him the balloon and the card. So I gotta feel out of place because he bought me roses and chocolate, and I just got him a balloon, but I need to get him more eventually. So, yeah. Alright, you guys. So I put my flowers in a vase and put some water in there. I'm literally so happy that he got me these because, like, he's gotten me roses before. But these are just so cute. I don't know if it's the occasion or what, but like, come on now. So sweet. Alright, you guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and show me some love in the comments. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.